The Maiden Voyage.
It's been a long time coming.
Didn't think we were ever gonna get here, honestly. Otto, I don't think you did either. We were all down there for a second, but we're here. First trip, what's the name of the park? Anastasia?
Yeah, Anastasia State Park.
Anastasia State Park. It's like an hour and 15 minutes from here. It's about the longest drive by about double we've been in this van. Well, when we picked it up. Yeah, didn't think it was gonna be here. Or didn't think this day would come, I should say. So, we were ready to rip. Look at that. The inflatable mattress. We didn't even have time to get a mattress, so we're just gonna send it.
Full set. You like Buster Sash? Do you like Buster Sash?
Forgot cups, or we forgot bowls.
Bowls and
plates.
plates, so breakfast and dinner's gonna be in coffee cups.
What do you think, bud? We almost had to use the dog bowls. But I mean, there's a little bit of sliver of water, barely.
Rogers comes back to Jersey with a...
Oh, you sure?
Far jump, huh? It's not too bad, huh? Alrighty. We're back from our trip, our first Maiden Voyage trip. It went very well, except word of advice, don't ever use an air mattress in a van. The shape, the length, the width does not cooperate, and we had to inflate that thing, 2 different times?
Yeah.
Luckily we brought an extension cord. The campsite had power. I wish you guys could have seen it. It was quite the sight.
I think that's the least amount of sleep I've gotten in a while.
Same. About an hour since we got back from the trip. And yeah, we're dragging. But we ended up actually turning the air mattress sideways, and it hung over the bed about 3 feet. And it maintained. So what was happening is every time we would fill it up, first of all, we had to get our arm inside the side of the wall to turn it. It's one of those automatic ones that
It's a
you
great air mattress.
flip the switch, shut it off, and then you have to turn it to lock it into so it doesn't deflate. And the first couple times we weren't locking it properly, so we get in bed. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. We get in bed, lay in there, and then you just hear. You get back up, get outside, do it again. Finally, we turned it, and it was able to hold air.
Our feet were just drooping all night. But we at least got some sleep after that.
We're kind of chilling on about 3.5 hours of sleep, probably.
Yeah. But other than that, everything went really well. The van drove great.
Right. Yep. The van couldn't have drove any better. Like I said in the last video, all the work we had done to it, the money we spent is paid off, I would say. So yeah, that was really good. It couldn't have drove any smoother. I told Jess when we cruised in, I was like, I think this thing can go to, as far as it wants. It just felt so good. We learned a lot in what we're gonna need on trips, and so it was a good learning trip. We were only there less than maybe, I don't even know if we were there 24 hours, but
We learned that our heat works because we turned it on in the middle of the night because we were chilly.
Yep.
Thinking we'd be warm, and it got down to 59.
Mm-hmm.
And all we had was a top sheet, so we were cold, and Austin turned the van on for a bit, and it got nice and toasty, so that was good.
We're back home. We're going to start planning our next trip, maybe a little longer, and
Get a mattress.
We tried to get one before we left, but Walmart, they were too expensive, and we didn't want to get one last minute and spend too much money and not get the right one. So we went the air mattress, and that was a big slap in the face, but it is what it is. So we're home now, and it's January 7th, 5:30 p.m., and we're going to go for a cold plunge in the ocean. I know that sounds crazy, but it's actually 74 degrees outside right now, so it's not all it's cracked up to be. But we're going to be freezing, so we'll see you back here next time. Thanks for cruising along.